Purushat Samyagavapyate. In this world, hey Raghunandana, we can achieve anything if we put proper efforts in the right direction. See? Now, today's story is what? The same routine. Corona. Actually, nobody knows exactly what this whole thing is. Everybody is guessing and imagining, and we can't blame anybody. It's not known. So, what is the best way? Best way, like I had told you a number of times, first is don't listen to any corona news. Don't listen. So many died and this happened. Why you worry? You are still alive, is it not? See, friends, in this world, calamities definitely happen. Does it mean that we are going to be worried all through life? Number one. Second thing is, let us have the positive approach in life, not negative. The third thing, we have to keep our immunity system strong. Take good food, take vitamins or some Ayurvedic things for keeping yourself strong immunity-wise. And follow the strict rules and regulations which are given by the government. That's it. This is what is meant. Sarvada sarvameva samsare Raghunandana samyak prayukta sarvena paurushat sam avapyate. It's not difficult. We don't have to bother too much. Take care of, keep yourself healthy. That is important. Healthy, environment-wise, cleanliness, body-wise, healthy. Take bath twice a day. Then your physiology-wise, see that your digestion is good, your food intake is proper. See, you are taking all the required doses of your vitamins or whatever you are taking. See, Maharaj, don't unnecessarily exert. And then comes the emotional. Don't have the negative approach. Emotional people have the negative approach. See? Intellectually, don't get lost in the argument with this government or that government. It will continue. You don't have to worry. And most important, spiritually. See, if you want spiritually, I'll tell you one thing. Try this. It will help. There was one stotra given by Bhagwan Shiva to Mudakosha Rishi. And that is meant for Raksha, Rama Raksha Stotra. Shiro me Raghava Patu, Bhanam Dasharatmaja, Kausallelo Dusho Patu, Vishwamitra Priya Shruti, Granam Patu Makatrada, Mukham Saumitri Vatsalaha, Jumva Vidyanidhi Patu, Kantam Bharata Vandida, Skandho Divyayudha Patu, Bhujo Vagne Jakanuka, Karo Sita Pati Patu, Hridayam Jamanagnajit, Madhyam Patu Karamsi, Navim Jamavadashaya. This is not just composed by some artist or some poet. See? But it was revealed to Mudakosha Rishi by Bhagwan Shiva. Give it a try with all sincerity. See? Then you will have the spiritual stamina. This is what Bhagwan wants to tell here. Sarvada sarvameveha samsare Raghunandana samyak prayuktat sarvena paurushat samavapyate. Put it sincerely, your immunity, physical, mental, spiritual, intellectual, physiological, environmental will increase, and then nothing can disturb us. Friend, there is not a single person in the world who is not carrying the germs of some diseases. They are being carried. Now those who are weaklings, do not have sufficient strong immunity, they fall prey. And those who have got good immunity, they don't. Therefore, samyak prayukta, use them properly and be happy.